What is the average cost of tree removal in York, Pennsylvania? Most local cost guides show typical tree removal in York runs around about $500 to $700 per tree for a standard medium-sized job. That estimate accounts for labor and basic equipment, but prices can vary based on tree size, access, and cleanup. Some services report a wider range from about $400 up to $1,800 for larger or more complex trees, especially those near structures or hard-to-reach areas. Getting a few local quotes helps you know what's fair for your yard and tree size. If you need help, get in touch. Oathkeepers Tree Care. Address: 1180 Conewago Avenue, Manchester, Pennsylvania 17345, United States. Phone number: 717-378-1776. Website: oathkeeperstreecare.com. If this helped, like the video, share it with a neighbor, and subscribe for more local home and yard tips. Thanks for watching.